song is called You Can't Sing Anything These Days. Because most of us in Manchester, we became musicians because we wanted to follow in the footsteps of our heroes. Liam Gallagher, Ian Brown, Morrissey, and they got to where they were by, some musical talent, a brash personality, and the opinions of a barroom bore. But sadly, we can't follow in their footsteps even if we want to, because you can't say anything these days. So sing along if you know the chorus. Wow, it's still in tune. You can't say anything these days. No, you can't say anything these days. Free speech is under attack in oh so many ways. No, you can't say anything these days. My mouth often has to say hello to my fist. Like the time I met my sister's black boyfriend. I thought, Kev, don't be racist, 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 don't be racist. But I failed in the end. I didn't ask to touch his hair or where he's really from. Nor did I tell any cock-size related jokes. But in a boozy male bonding session, I let slip the opinion that the Holocaust was a hoax. You can't say anything these days. No, you can't say anything these days. People love to cry into their pumpkin spice lattes. Oh, you can't say anything these days. You can't say anything these days. And you can't get a word in edgeways. Just like a woman on a hetero date. Oh, you can't get a word in edgeways. To get by in this society, it seems to me that you have to be as dishonest as an energy company. And don't get me started on the dating scene. But you just got me started on the dating scene. I took a woman out for some fancy French cuisine. She said, let's skip the small talk and make it spicy. What you do for a guilty pleasure when you're feeling naughty. She said, I'll tell you, but first you tell me. Okay. I said, I booked 3 hookers of different nationalities. Have them form a circle and take turns to piss on me. And insult my ethnicity to symbolize smashing the patriarchy. What about you, and pass me the vinegar, please? She said, eating chocolate and watching bad TV. You can't say anything these days. No, you can't say anything these days. Free speech is under attack in oh so many ways. It's like my storming the beaches of Normandy was all in vain. I once stormed a beach in France when I was pissed out of my brain. Speaking of storming the beaches of Normandy, I'll just jump right into this next song because it's about the greatest generation in history, millennials.